Karakala, a Carthaginian who gave citizenship to everyone. Geta, a Carthaginian who was killed by his own brother. At this point, Rome became a playground of who are these people? What's going on? The children of Septimius Severus inherited the empire, and less than a year into their joint reign, one of them, now known as Karakala, killed another, Geta, right in front of their mother, Julia Domna. Well, they kind of tried to kill each other before, and they definitely felt that there can be only one. And eventually the situation was resolved. And for the next 6 years, Karakala was the sole ruler. Karakala wasn't really his name. It is his nickname used by historians. His name was Lucius Septimius Bassianus, but he reigned as Marcus Aurelius Antoninus. His father basically adopted him into the family of Marcus Aurelius and Antoninus Pius, even though both of them were dead for a really long time. And Karakala was a type of a tunic this guy really liked. The sources, the three sources that we have, Dio, Herodian, and Historia Augusta, portray Karakala as a man with a fork in a world of soup, the angriest man you'll ever meet. He spent most of his reign outside of Rome, usually on military campaigns, first against the Germanic tribes, and then, after the year 216, with the Parthians. It is possible, as reported by Cassius Dio, that Karakala strongly identified himself with Alexander the Great, and, in a way, tried to emulate him. This appreciation of Alexander didn't stop him from basically sacking the city of Alexandria, because he was offended by something. That's what the historians say. One of the most prominent things that came out of the Karakala's reign was the so-called Edict of Karakala, issued in the year 212, which granted Roman citizenship to all of the free people in the empire. Some people today may think that it was a brilliant and very forward-thinking idea. Like, I wish the government in my country gave away citizenship to everybody who's staying there. No, you don't really want this. You just don't. The reason for Edict of Karakala is not entirely clear. Cassius Dio thinks that it was done chiefly for the purpose of increasing the revenues through taxation. Karakala was killed while in Asia. It is reported that Marcus Appius Macrinus, the Praetorian prefect, thought that the angry man, Karakala, wanted to kill him. So he decided to take a precautionary action and conceived a plot that led to Karakala's assassination, while the emperor was taking a piss, as reported by our trustworthy historians. And Macrinus was approved by the Senate as the new emperor.